Hi everyone, it's Sandy here. I have here a WRMK Keepers gift bag punchboard. I purchased this punchboard probably about 2 to 3 years ago at my local craft store here in Sydney, Australia, called Spotlight. It's a fantastic tool for you to use in your projects. I have yet to make the gift bag with the punchboard, but I have been making other projects with them. So I will put the link down below for you if you wanted to have a look at some of my other projects with the tutorials on what you can create with the punchboard here. It's it's a great tool. It also comes with a scoring tool as well for you to score. But I've got another project here that I'd like to share with you, but it doesn't need the scoring tool for this, and it's another easy, fun project for you to make. So what I've made are these cute perfume bottle shapes. As you can see, this is one of them, and this is another size here. So you can make these cute little perfume bottles. This one here is a 3 by 3 inch size, so you can get 4 pieces of these perfume bottle shapes out of one piece of 6 by 6. And this one here is a 3 inch by 4 inch shape, and you can get this you can get 2 of these larger perfume bottle shapes out of the one piece of 6 by 6. So I just embellished it with some satin ribbon and then just some trim on the bottom. And also what you can do, if your 6 by 6 paper is a little bit not as sturdy, you can attach just back to back 2 pieces. That way you'll have a more sturdier perfume bottle shape if you wanted to use it as a tag or as is. And then I've also made another cute perfume bottle using a 3 by 3 envelope size with the envelope punch board, note card size. So you just open that up, and then I've made a 3 by 3 perfume size note card, and you just open that up, and then you can just write your little note on the inside. So this one uses the same 6 by 6 paper, and you can get 2 3 by 3 perfume shaped cards, note card, out of the one piece, and then it just goes in there like that. So that's just another fun, cute little project for you to make if you have this punch board. I just used some word sentiment stickers and some decorative shapes just to decorate the envelope, and that one are these sticker sheets that I purchased from our yearly craft exhibition shows that we have here in Sydney. So I just get these stickers. So you get word stickers, alphabet stickers, word sentiments, and you just peel them off, and then they're just ready for you to use in your projects. I've got a couple more other bottle projects to show you before I show you how to make them. This is another one. I was trying to make a jam jar theme, but I ended up just making the jar and then adhering it to a tag that I made. Again, I used the envelope punch board just to create these decorative corner edges there. So that's just another one that I've made. And then I made another one here as a honey pot jar thing, and then I just fussy cut these cute little bees and stuck it onto the jar. And those bees were from this 12 by 12 American Crafts paper. So I just fussy cut these cute little bees out of the piece of paper and just stuck them onto the to my honey pot jar shape. And this is just a circle scallop die shape that I have that came in a set that I purchased online. So okay, so this is these are the shapes, and I'm going to show you how to make the 2 sizes. Oh, and also, as you can see here, there's 2 different size lids on the top. All you have to do here is I just trimmed it with a pair of scissors on each end, just to shorten the length if you choose to do that. So that's just another option. And this cute little charm, I made that myself just using some like a resin glaze drop, and then I adhered a little image inside the metal tray and a tassel. Okay, so what we'll need to do here just to create we'll do a 3 by 3 shape bottle first. So you just need your 3 by 3 piece of paper, and then on your edge of your paper, we're going to slide that into your punch board, and we're going to line the edge of the paper to the edge of the punch, where the punch apart, and slide it as far back as you can. And then we're just going to press down like that. It's a bit hard for me because I'm sitting down. Normally I do it standing up. So you'll create that shape there. And then what we'll do next is we'll just flip it back over to the opposite side, slide that back in again, and line the edge of your paper to the edge of the punch. And then we're going to press that down again. And you should, we'll place it this way. You'll create the top part of the perfume bottle. As you can see, it's already forming into that shape. And now what we'll do next, we're just going to angle the bottom of the bottle. So what we'll do here, we're just going to line this edge of the paper and slide that back as far as you can. And we are going to line the edge of that paper on the inside edge of the notch. So it sort of lines up to the actual line there, but you want to make sure that you line the edge of your paper to the inside edge of that notch bit. And then we're just going to press that down. And then that should give you that little angle like that. And then we'll just do the same to this side. Slide that in, lining the edge to the inside edge of the notch and sliding your paper as far back as you can, and just press. And that creates your, whichever way you want to look at it, that creates your perfume bottle jar or your jam jar or honey pot jar shape. So that is all to it, and then you just decorate it and embellish it. And then we'll do one now with the 3x4 shape, which is exactly the same. So what we'll do here, we are going to line this edge of the paper on the, sliding your paper on the longer side of your paper, and we're going to slide that in, again as far back as you can along the edge, and press. And that's the shape. Turn that over, and then just slide that in again. Do the same thing. And that creates your larger shaped bottle. And now we'll just angle this bottom part, and again we'll just slide the long side of the paper in as far back, and then lining the edge of your paper to the inside edge of that notch, and then press down. And then we'll do that to the other side as well. Just line that up, and there we go. Now as you can see, sometimes you may have a little bit that's sticking out here on each side here, and if you do, you just sort of just trim that off, and then just trim the other side off as well, and then that just sort of gives you more of a smoother angle edge to your bottle or jar shape. And that is all there is to it. If you wanted to make the card like this one here, what you do is I've got this paper here. This is not exact. I didn't cut a piece for you, but if you wanted to make a card like this, all you've got to do is you just fold your paper in half like that, and then you just where your fold line is, I won't do one, but on your fold line here, that's where you slide your paper in into the punch board, and lining the edge of your fold to the edge of the punch, and press down. If your paper is quite thick, it may take a bit more pressure for you to punch down. And let's see if I might just do this while I've got this in here. So there we go, just like that. And then you just do the same to the other side. I'll just stand up and punch this as well, because I can't quite do it sitting down. Got it. There we go. So that's how you got your shape. And then with the angle bit, you can just open that up, and then you just slide the edge of the paper in that way. This paper that I've got here is not actually the best paper, but it's all curled up. Hang on, I will get that in. I'm determined to get this to work now. So just sliding that in there, and then just oh sorry, it's that side, on this side here. Just press that down, and then you get that, and then you do the same on the other side. Of all the papers, I had to get this really thick one to show you, but it still worked. So as you can see, I've got them, it sort of sticks out there on the end. We'll just trim that off like that, and then you just do the same with the other side and finish that off that way, and that will create your perfume bottle shape card. And then you just fold that back down, and there creates your card shape bottle. So that is just how to make the bottles with the We Are Memory Keepers Giftbag Punchboard. I do hope you give this a go if you have this fantastic tool, and I will see you in my next video, and bye for now.